Hello everyone, welcome to Vinoth Tutorials. Today we are going to learn about Selenium WebDriver API Commands. We have several type of API commands. In this video we will learn about browser commands with example. These are all the list of browser commands: get, getTitle, getCurrentUrl, getPageSource, close and quit. We will see all these with practical example. Before that, I will show an end-to-end test case designed for this requirement. This is a sample test case which uses all the browser commands like launching the Eurorile URL, verifying the title, current URL, page length, and close all the browsers. Now we'll see all these with practical implementation. We have created a class name handling browser. Then we created the driver object in the WebDriver interface for Chrome driver. The next step is to launch the application. You know very well, commands we use is driver.get. We have to mention the URL here. Now instead of hard coding the values, we will parameterize, storing the application URL in a string variable. Since the value data type is a string, and the variable name is URL, now give the value inside this code. Now variable is declared. The value is declared to a variable URL and its data type is string, which we can copy this and paste it here. So the first step is over. Launch the website. The mandatory step: driver.manage.windows.maximize. As a mandatory, we must maximize the window whenever we launch any application. First step is completed. Second step is we have to verify the title of the screen and the value is this. So we have to get the title and to verify with the expected result. To get the title, we will use driver.get. Here you will have all the methods. For us it's getTitle. This driver.getTitle will retrieve the value of the title. In order to do the verification, what we have to do, we have to save this to a variable, storing the title name in the string variable. String, this is the actual title equal to this one. We have retrieved the value and saved to a variable actual title. First we will make sure whether this is working or not by printing it system.out.println and the value. Run it, Ctrl+Shift+F11, navigated to the application, maximized. I think execution is completed. Console, the value is Discovery Hero by Hero Train. The title of this web page is Discovery Hero by Train with Eurorile. Our method is working perfectly. Now we will insert the verification. To do the verification, we have to compare with the actual and the expected title. For that, we will save the expected title in a string variable. String, what is that value? I got it from requirement. This is the expected. Now verification point: if actual title dot equals, if actual title is equals to the expected title, then the title of the page is, you can print it here. This we can remove it. Else, for example, if it is failing, then what it should do, we have to give the failure message. It is always very important while coding that you must include the else condition and negative scenario with a proper output message. This is how we have to create the verification point. I will execute and see how the results look like. Ctrl+Shift+F11, application is launched, maximized. I think the execution is completed. The result is the title of the page is Discovery Hero by Train with Eurorile. We'll run for the negative scenario also. Java application. Application is launched. I just clicking back. It will try to verify the result as it came here, and it is try to compare the actual and the expected value. It was not equal, so it came to the else condition, and the title verification is failed. 2-step completed, and third step is we have to navigate to the help screen and verify the current URL. That is, we have to click on help, then we have to verify the current URL. Whenever you start the development, try to do it manually once and then do the coding. The next step is navigate to help screen, driver.find element by dot link text. Inside this, the value I am going to give. How to use the locators, you can refer my previous videos. Click. Now we have to retrieve the value of the actual URL. For that, driver.getCurrentUrl. This will get the current URL value. In the previous step, we did some verification point. Same thing we have to include it here. I have included the verification point. After navigating to the help screen, we are trying to get the current URL and saving it to a variable, and what is the expected URL also saved to a variable, and verification point whether actual and the expected URL, if it is same, then it will print the value. If it is not same, then it will say the URL verification is failed. Same like how you do for getTitle, do it for the getCurrentUrl. Now we will execute Ctrl+Shift+F11. Application launched and maximized. Then it navigate to the help screen. Now we'll see the output result. The console says the title of the page is Discovery Hero Rail and the current URL is HTTPF. It means both the step passed. And in the latest version, one good thing about Eclipse is the green color shows this is the execution it went. So it started like this and came here and executed this one. Pink color shows these steps are not executed. So if you press backspace, it will go. Let me summarize. We have completed getTitle and getCurrentUrl methods. In the next video, we will be learning about getPageSource, close and quit. In addition to this, we have also learned how to store the value in a variable and how to use the if-else condition. If you have any clarification, please post your queries or mail me, and don't forget to subscribe to get the upload notification. That's the end of today's session. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.